Imagine your heart working, pumping blood every second until a valve fails. Should you replace it or try to repair it? This decision is personal and shapes your future. A diseased valve disrupts blood flow, causing stenosis or regurgitation. Valve repair fixes the valve, preserving original tissue, like annuloplasty or leaflet repair. This keeps your natural valve, preserving heart rhythm and reducing medication. If severely damaged, replacement is needed. Mechanical valves last a lifetime, but need blood thinners. Biological valves feel natural, but last 10 to 20 years. Recovery varies. Repair patients might walk sooner. Replacement needs longer management. Risks include clots, failure, and reoperation, impacting life and diet. Age, health, and lifestyle shape the doctor's recommendation. TAVR allows valve replacement without open heart surgery, offering quicker recovery. Your heart valve is your life's energy. The choice is unique.